Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. Markets closed at 4:05, at least regular session, and it's still September 14th. Today was fantastic. We ran up to all our predefined levels that we defined over the last few days. So we had a great resistance area through here that stalled out for a little while and then broke out. We had a great one in here. And then we ran exactly up to our next level, sold off a little bit. Right around noon, we were talking about looking for a higher swing low intraday, right where this resistance broke and then became support. Chopped around through here, made a nice little symmetrical triangle. I don't know if I need to drop that in, but maybe I'll zoom in a little bit and do that anyway. Fantastic to see this, and pretty soon I'll go out to a more of a daily time frame. But here's that extended right, and nice little apex of a symmetrical triangle there. Broke out of that to the same resistance area at the 104.80 mark, and then broke out of that even. So perfect high base into our 105.20 area, which was on a higher time frame, great resistance. Broke out past that a little bit even after the consolidation here, and pulled back to support after market now. So if you look at these levels, the 105.20 mark, these previous swing highs, that makes a lot of sense to my eye, and all these other lines that we had dropped in, it was just it doesn't get any prettier than that. You know, calling things like this and then layering that on top of the trades that you're in, if you're not trading the broad markets themselves, pretty tasty. So taking into account a larger time frame, you can see after this down gap, we had a nice rally back up right to our resistance and then broke out of that even. So here's a 60-minute chart. Again, we're just taking apart the S&P 500 right here. And here's a daily chart. So what we thought we were going to get with a down gap, again, not really corroborated too well with the market internals, nice gap fill. So it's always great to watch how, let me just zoom into a smaller time frame. Backing up here to this down gap, we watched that entire gap get filled. And again, 100% gap fill and a retrace like that, you often get higher swing lows out of this. And this is what we were getting all morning. So nice to see that layered on top of, if it'll give me a second to drop the VIX in here. Continually dropping VIX. The trend was very nice all day, albeit a little bit neutral to bearish. Again, a lot of consolidations in here. So that was one little eye-catching feature. The trend Q was also just a little bit bullish in the 0.8 area, right through here, and the tick spent most of the time, most of the day above the zero line. So the market internals corroborating a lot of those breakouts and moves. Nice to have that in our camp. So great stuff, everybody. I love the way the market's traded today, and I hope you're able to capitalize on either the broad markets themselves or stocks that were layered on top of those on the bullish side. Good stuff, everybody. Hope you're having a great trading week so far, and I'll talk to you soon.